Now we will discuss the question number 3A3. So here there is a question for 4 marks, again case law question. Chargi Biotech Private Limited is a 2-year-old company. The board of directors of the company want to contribute 2.8% of its average net profits of the last years to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Referring to provisions of the Companies Act, advise the board. So here this question is very difficult for many students who have not gone through the BEAR Act. When you have gone through the BEAR Act, it is very easy to answer this. So if you see the study material, you might not get the answer here. So how do you approach this particular question? So you must write to the board of directors. To the board of directors, this question is directly related to section 181. There is one more section related to political contribution, but here we are not talking about political contribution. This question is related to section 181, company to contribute to bona fide charitable funds. So bona fide charitable fund. So here in the question we are going for what? Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. So it is a bona fide charitable fund. So in this section 181, what are the conditions? The conditions for a company to contribute is, first thing, there must be prior permission in the general meeting of the company. The second thing is that this prior permission is required if more than 5%, if more than 5% of its average net profits for 3 preceding financial years is being contributed. These are the provisions of section 181. If we look at the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, it is bona fide, that we understood. So for this particular question, what you should write? Yes, Chargi Biotech Private Limited can contribute 2.8%. Why? Because it is within the limits. It is within the limits. What is the limits? If it is more than 5% of its average net profits for 3 years. But in our case, we are trying to contribute only 2.8% of the average net profits, and that is why the answer you can write, it can contribute, and for this you will definitely get 3 out of 4 when you answer like this. It is very important for you to go for the study of the BEAR Act also, because otherwise you will not be able to answer these kind of questions. The next question is related to question number 4C. So question number 4C is a problem. So you should also carry the calculator for the exam. So if you see here, from the following information with respect to 2 companies, ZYX and CBA, yes, compute the amount company have to spend for CSR. So they are asking about CSR, and they've given some facts. ZYX Limited, CBA Limited. That is for the financial year 14-15, 15-16 and 16-17. So here not incorporated for 14-15. The other company is having loss of 4 crores. The second year profit 6 crores, CBA loss 1 crore. Then 16-17 profit is net profit 18 crores, and here it is positive 6 crores. So how do you approach this question? It is 4 marks, just like maths, very easy to score if you calculate. So how will you answer this? So the way to answer this is, first thing we should say, it is assumed that the CSR is for the year 17-18, because in the question they have not given which is the year. They have just given compute the CSR, and they have given the 3 previous years. So let us write in the answer, let us assumption it is for 17-18. So average net profits for 3 preceding years is the provision in CSR for which we have to contribute. So here in ZYX Limited, it is having only 2 years existence. It is not there for 3 years. So what should we do? We have to add the 2 years. That is 6 crores plus 18 crores divided by 2. Big 2 is 2 years. Then that is equal to 12 crores. So CSR amount we already know it is 2%. So that is why we have to say 12 crores into 2% equals to 24 lakhs. So our company ZYX Limited has to contribute 24 lakhs for CSR in this problem. Then our CBA Limited. CBA Limited is for 3 years, so minus 4 crores plus Again we have minus 1 crore, that is the loss, both are losses, plus 6 crores. 6 crores is the profit. So divided by 3, what is 3? 3 years of existence. So here we are going to get 0.33 crores. 0.33 crores is the average. Then for CSR it is 2%. We know that very well. So 2% comes up to 66,000. So here it is very easy to score 4 out of 4 if you answer like this, as it is a problem question.